legit. Anything you
Tron, XRP, and Cardano, three of the new promises in the crypto ecosystem. The most common action for crypto enthusiasts is to look for the next big thing in the crypto world, a fact that centers in the hope of obtaining a considerable profit of selecting the best coin. Truth be told, ever since cryptocurrencies emerged in the financial landscape, they have become a potent source of investment, although that was not what they were meant to be from the beginning. However, in the real world that's exactly the way it functions, so it's actually a significant advantage to be aware of those cryptos whose development and features represent our best alternatives to investments. In this sense, three of the most resounded coins in the crypto market right now are Ripple's XRP, Tron, TRX, and Cardano, ADA. Let's see the main characteristics of these cryptocurrencies, and why we think they are the best options to invest as the market grows. Tron, TRX. Tron, TRX, is recognized as the crypto that never rests, and to be honest, that is precisely what it seems from the outside when we take a look at the numerous strategies deployed by the company in the past 4 months. That started with the testnet launch, a move that was followed by the later migration of the tokens from Ethereum's protocols to its very own blockchain. Shortly after, it continued with the launch of testnet of Tron Virtual Machine, the announcement of the super representative elections, and the most recent acquisition of BitTorrent, an initiative that is currently assisting the creation of a project called Atlas. The same way, the TRX token was recently added to the Lines exchange, Bitbox, and similarly, to the Bitcoin Superstore project, an initiative that enables crypto users to purchase from over 200,000 online retailers like Amazon and eBay. The CEO of the company, Justin Sun, seems to play a very active role in the deployment of strategies and the communication with the community. He plans to decentralize the internet and create a whole new net made up from scratch. Ripple's XRP. Out of the whole bunch of cryptocurrencies in existence, there's not a doubt that the mother firm of XRP, Ripple, is the one that has managed to execute the most relationships with financial and banking institutions. In fact, Ripple has achieved to make alliances with several renowned companies in the finance sector such as MasterCard, American Express, and Banco de Santander, but it doesn't actually stop there. The company has at least 70 financial organizations that are willing to integrate their solutions in the sake of improving their cross-border transactions. Most of the partnerships have been deployed using xCurrent and xVia, but it's actually xRapid, the one solution that carries with it the XRP token, so technically the approach to crypto haven't been made concerning alliances. Nevertheless, the company is allegedly working on the integration of their three solutions to overcome this issue. The XRP token has been criticized and even labeled as a security by many, for lawsuits of security until now, but the company has already taken actions to resolve the doubts and made an incredible effort to separate XRP from Ripple Labs, which is the company. Despite the bearish market and legal issues, the lawsuits, the token has managed to remain stable, and that is precisely one of the things that give us a positive sentiment about the coin. Besides, many predictions forecast the price of the token to $8 next year, a fact that would provide a chance for its believers to become millionaires in a one-year matter. Cardano, ADA. Cardano, ADA is for sure one of the youngest coins in the crypto world. However, it has managed to grow in a significant way during this year, and this has led to an incredible bunch of opportunities for the crypto. When it comes to what makes this coin a great option, we must know that it was actually created by Charles Hoskinson, a businessman who formerly was a co-founder of Ethereum, ETH, and Ethereum Classic, etc. Charles decided to leave both projects as he thought the best way to create the coin he had in mind was by starting his very own. The thing that makes the Cardano, ADA unique is that the group behind the token is a multidisciplinary team with an extensive background in the area, so every decision is well calculated and executed. The company expects to get a global adoption as its mainnet becomes fully functional soon. Cardano, ADA, can reach $2.50 sooner than you think. Here's why. Cardano is a very peculiar blockchain project. It lacks the hype of Bitcoin, Tron or Ripple, just to name a few, but it's managed to acquire an unmatched reputation for quality, transparency, and seriousness. One of the differences between Cardano and every other cryptocurrency is the emphasis it puts into following scientific principles and peer-reviewed research. They keep to those principles by working closely with many cryptography researchers in the academic sector and by making sure that they do not privilege sheer marketing as its chief strategy, but academic announcements and publications that guarantee the project's reliability and innovation. That all has made Cardano's researchers ambassadors of sorts from the cryptosphere to the academic world, which, in turn, has given reason to many academics to pay more attention to the cryptocurrency market and take it as an earnest endeavor. That difference in core values has practical consequences. The Cardano community never rushes. Nothing is launched or released until it's been thoroughly tested and known to work correctly. That's how Cardano has managed to build an unparalleled reputation for reliability. There's never been a major scandal or controversy involving Cardano, which is very rare in the cryptocurrency market. It's also important to know that Cardano is not all about the project's currency, called ADA, but it's a full decentralized operating system designed to run financial and decentralized apps. While this is not unique, that's the case of Tron, or EOS. For instance, the project has shown its scientific credentials by designing a blockchain from the scratch. Its very innovative proof-of-stake consensus protocol could be nothing short of revolutionary if it's implemented successfully, and many observers in both the academic and crypto market fields are waiting eagerly to find out if it will deliver on its promises. So if Cardano is such an exciting project, why is ADA not performing that well? Because the bear came to visit the crypto world last January and it hasn't left. Every digital asset has had a hard time all year long, and Cardano hasn't been the exception. It reached its peak level last January, $1.30, fifth largest coin by market capitalization. Since then it's been going down, and it currently trades at around $0.12985, which brought it down to the 8th place by market cap. This is apparently a considerable drop. But it's also a great opportunity. MetaPs Plus is a huge mobile payments platform based in Korea. They recently announced that they would include ADA as a means for payment. This new partnership is crucial because it shows the credibility Cardano has managed to build outside the cryptosphere, and because South Korea is one of the world's most essential and enthusiastic countries when it comes to digital assets. And this is just one such partnership. There is no reason to believe that many others are not on the way, but, as stated before, this is an organization that takes its time to do things. Despite the coin's performance, neutral observers and experts are very confident in this project. Some predictions are as high as $10 per token, but they seem a little hyped and the arguments they give are not always very persuasive. That being said, a new bullish run will come to the market sooner or later. Taking into account that ADA was as high as 1.30 only a few months ago, when this happens, the token will appreciate for sure, and based on previous bullish runs it would be entirely reasonable to expect it to reach $2.50. So this is a time of opportunity if you like Cardano. At 13 cents you could make a 20-fold profit when the prices start picking up again. It is a risk, of course, but if you know the project, the markets, and you do your homework before you jump in, then Cardano's ADA is one of the best opportunities in the current market precisely because it's so incredibly cheap right now.